We're here with our lovely patient who is 8 months out from her Drainless tummy tuck. And we're just doing a regular follow-up with her, and she's been feeling fantastic, had a lovely summer. But she's going to share with us a few of her thoughts and feelings about how this procedure has changed her life.
Yeah, this procedure has definitely been life-changing. The mental burden that having extra skin and extra fat plays a toll in your mind is a lot. And so to have that gone in just a day, while it is a long recovery, it's absolutely worth all of it. All of the sacrifices, all of the uncomfortableness. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
How was the recovery for you?
The recovery for me, obviously the first few days is the most difficult. The pain meds were not my friend, so I just wrote it out. But after about 5 days, I felt a lot better. I could stand straighter after about a few weeks, like really straight. And, the numbness and tightness take a little bit longer, but it's still really worth it in the long run.
Did your bowels back up at all?
No, because I wasn't taking the pain med.
Right.
It was painful, but it was nice to just be able to do it on my own, have my full mental awareness, and yeah.
How was the abdominal binder?
It had its days. I think the hard part that I encountered was it, because you're like leaned over, it had like creases in it, and so then it kind of would dig into my skin a little bit. And when I came back for a follow-up appointment, I think you guys gave me a new one, and then like my own idea was to just flip it inside out, which worked for a little bit. But then once I transitioned to the regular binder, it was way better.
And you were in it for a week, 2 weeks?
The one that I got in hospital?
Yeah.
Yes, I believe so.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And have you been able to move towards outfits that are genres of clothing that you hadn't been wearing before
1,000.
that now you're very comfortable in?
Yes, 100%. I'm wearing clothes and outfits that I never thought I ever would. I never showed my stomach at all, ever. So even to show a little bit, it's like takes some getting used to, but it's really fun to not care if I lift my arms up because I'm not worried that skin was going to show or going to hang out or whatever.
And when you're out and about, at social encounters or on the beach, because the summer's just been wrapping up, has it impacted your confidence level at all? Absolutely.
I had confidence before, and I accepted where my body was before surgery. But I can't even describe. It's like way beyond confidence. I don't know what another word I'd use besides confident, but it's just I feel amazing. I really do. I really, really do.
I've been talking with some patients about how this process is almost like a purposeful accelerated evolution. It's almost like instead of the Charles Darwinian, going through generations and generations and that natural selection towards an ultimate goal of a end result that is a more refined abdominal physical characteristic. This is something that we're able to achieve in a matter of weeks as opposed to multiple lifetimes of generational evolution. And I think of it as almost a purposeful evolution, a purposeful accelerated evolution where you are choosing to alter a course for a desired outcome that is not going to change your life. It hasn't changed who you are. You're the same person that I met, 2 years ago. Clearly, you have the same great disposition, but it has brought joy and reward in ways that are hard to put your finger on.
Yeah, it's difficult to articulate to someone who hasn't gone through that process. And I'm also very glad that I got this surgery at a young age because now I have the rest of my life to just ride on that confidence enjoy and not having to worry about, what to wear, clothes I can wear, clothes I can't wear.
Yeah.
So I'm just very grateful I did it when I did.
And you have a big vacation coming up?
I do.
Nice. That's
Yes.
awesome. And so you've promised to send us some awesome photographs,
Absolutely.
but you're not a big selfie taker.
I'm not.
Because now it's just normal. It's just, I just look great in this bikini.
Yes, but I do promise I'll take at least one. At least one. I'll embrace my inner model.
There you go. There you go. That's your next career.
Yeah, you never know.
Look out, cover of Sports Illustrated.
That's right.
Here she comes.
Yep.
Here she comes.
Giving you all the credit.
Well, it's a group effort. It's a group effort. Well, thank you for sharing your insight and your thoughts.
Absolutely.